Welcome back friends and wish you all a very happy new year. I am sure this 2021 is going to bring a great period ahead and we are all going to have the best year of life. In this year हम लोग कुछ अलग सोच रहे हैं. एक 6 वीडियोस का सीरीज हम करने वाले हैं अभी, using some qualities that are useful in our business, but we are going to link it with celebrities. Yes, सेलिब्रिटीज जो डे टू डे लाइफ में क्वालिटीज यूज करते हैं, उनके जो वर्चूज है वो हम देखेंगे, विच मेक्स देम ग्रेट, विच मेक्स देम सक्सेसफुल. एंड द फर्स्ट सेलिब्रिटी इज नन अदर दैन अ ग्रेट कॉर्पोरेट czar, the icon of Indian corporate industry, a great human being, Mr. Ratan Tata. Since all of you know, I have already shared this with you, I am somebody who reads a lot. I am somebody who is very much connected in what's happening around. और आपने भी ये देखा होगा सोशल मीडिया पे कि recently Mr. Ratan Tata had come down to Pune for a single day to spend that day with one of the many lakh employees that Tata Motors has. This is an employee who is retired from Tata Motors or he is suffering from an ailment. रतन टाटा जी उनके घर पे गए, पूरा दिन उनके फैमिली के साथ स्पेंड किया और बिफोर लिविंग ही हैज आल्सो गिवन अ कमिटमेंट टू टेक केयर ऑफ द फ्यूचर एजुकेशन ऑफ हिज डॉटर्स. व्हाट इज द वर्चू? द वर्चू इज रिलेशनशिप. ये सब करने की उनको बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं थी, बट दैट्स द वे ही ऑपरेट्स, दैट्स द वे द टाटा ग्रुप ऑपरेट्स. दे बिल्ड इन रिलेशनशिप, they believe in relationship, they build relationship, and that creates trust. How is it connected to our business? हमारा business 80% relationship पे ही चलता है, क्योंकि we collect all information that is so personal in terms of insurance. You collect his medical records, you collect his financial records, you ask so many questions about his personal life. He will be comfortable to share all that with you if you have that trust and relationship with him. So relationship हमेशा से ही काम करेगा हमारे business के लिए, always. The second virtue we are talking about is again from the Tata Group, and this is a system that is built over a period of last 50 years by the Taj Group of Hotels. The system that they follow is treat your customer or guest as a family member. One small thing that I'll share with you which I have read is, अगर आप ताज में जाते हो और पहली बार जब आप गए हो, before you reach there, there might be a call you might receive about, one example, the kind of coffee you like and the timing at which you prefer. And the moment you are a guest, the next day morning you will receive the same blend of coffee at the exact time you had shared on the phone. That happens every time you are staying with them. So they see to it. This is just one small example I am giving you, personalizing the service. Because of that, the people become a part of the Tata Group, the Taj Hotels, not as a guest but as a family member. How does it connect with our business? It is about services, making services personalized, making the person feel as a part of your family, giving the person a vibe that you really care. In our business, the biggest complaint that people have about an insurance advisor is ये business लेने के बाद totally गायब हो गए. ये अगर हमें नहीं करना है तो find out something totally different that others are not doing. वन एग्जाम्पल, आप कहोगे यार ये तो बहुत मुश्किल है जो मैं एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूँ, लेकिन ये काम करेगा. प्रीमियम कलेक्शन आप करते हो, आप उनको बर्थडेज ग्रीट करते हो, ये छोटी छोटी चीजें हर कोई करता है. ट्राई दिस. You can have a great gala evening and entertainment evening for all your customers together. Arrange a separate film show for only your customers. Something different that will create that wow effect in the minds of the customer. These are the kind of services people connect with you forever. So relationship and services is what we are trying to understand today, which Tata Groups forms their philosophy. Let's meet again with a new topic. Please continue to like and share my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel.